Hello everyone. Today topic is what does your Valentine date is thinking about you currently. Right now, whomsoever you are planning to go on a date on Valentine's Day, what that person is having thoughts about you in his or her mind is here. So there are two piles. Select one. That is one is the lotus and the other is the aster. Whatever color suits you of the flower, please pick it up. In the meanwhile, we are going to start with the lotus pile. So what does your Valentine date thinking about you? So देखते हैं. So let's see about who the people who have chosen lotus flower. What is there in your cards? What your Valentine date is currently thinking about you? The moon, the empress, and the ace of pentacles. So right now that person is quite scared and quite hesitant to take you out because he or she is thinking that you are quite a dignified personality whom to satisfy is a tough job. It's really near to impossible job. So that person is really thinking about you like in this way, that you have a very great personality. You must be a beautiful woman or a man who has a great charisma. And more than, if I'm saying this, if you're having 10%, but this the image of you is about 1000% in that person's mind, that you have a great dignified personality whom to make happy is a tough job. So he or she, whomsoever it is, that person is really arranging up the funds or something to gift you a good nice gift, give you a gift on Valentine's Day. Yes, it is there. To make you happy is a big task for this person. So that is a card which is telling you. Let's see other cards. What they are saying is Four of Wands, Six of Swords, and the Queen of Coins. So same thing is coming in the other cards also. He or she is thinking that you have kept your boundaries up, that nobody can reach you, nobody can touch you, because you have a set of ethics which nobody can cross, which nobody can the boundaries which nobody can dare to cross. But he or she is realizing that you are the key to their happiness, you are the key to their the solution to their problems. They feel they find the happiness in you, they find that pleasure in you, they're looking forward to that thing. And moreover, the Queen of Coins means something that you might be lucky for this person. This person might be working with you. Yes, this person might be of like working with you in the same office or same building or something like that. Yes. So let's see the cards, other cards, love cards. What they are saying: friendliness. So right now this person is in a friendly zone with you, but his or her hidden feelings are of love with you. So I think after this date, this person is going to really come out of that friendliness zone and release that friendliness zone and will enter or propose you for the love thing. So these are your beautiful cards. So whatsoever gift they are going to give you, please admire that, because that is very important in this relationship right now. Gratitude is the another card which I am receiving. So this is the lucky color that you got to wear on this day. That color is green. If you're not going to wear green, then please carry a green hanky along with you. That is going to be very lucky for you. And the green color resembles to the sign of prosperity also. So this wear green or carry a green hanky with you. So in your handbag or in your purse or in your wallet or wherever, you should carry a green hanky or green color with you, because green color is going to make this date very great. So whatsoever gift you are going to take, though I can sense that you might not satisfy you, like you might not feel happy, but don't show to that person, because that person is going to get that gift after a lot of savings and efforts and whatsoever. But so just show your gratitude to the gift. So let's see the checks of messages for you. What are the messages from angels? So I'm going to hold a special session about the messages from my bird, that whose name is Diamond. He is going to take out messages from your person towards you. In a short while, I'll be doing that session. Here is a message: black magic. Black magic. So you are a kind of a black magic to this person, that he cannot come out of you. You are his, in his mind, in his subconsciousness, in his consciousness, everywhere your influence is there. Though that's why he or she is feeling like that you are a kind of a black magic done to him. It's wonderful, wonderful chip. So another one is that yes, 100% yes, 100% yes. So just go on a date with this person, because this person is going to be great for you. Because this person, you are also going to find some peace in this person. You make me happy. So if you are his or her happiness, so it means if you are somebody's happiness, that's a great thing. That's a big thing in this world, today's world, materialistic world. If you can give someone a piece of happiness in a day, that means it means a lot. So another chit is wish to be with you. So this person's main desire is to be with you. To be with you. That's it. To be with you. No matter whatsoever is the result. Because that person is thinking that you are the only person who makes him or her happy. Let's see the charms. Let's see the charms. So it's like K, U, G, R, D. And in the charms you are getting a shield, a mass, an Eiffel Tower. That person must be from the Paris, or work is from the Paris. 2 leaves and another lotus. If you have chosen the lotus, if you have chosen the lotus flower, here itself the lotus pile, again the lotus is here. So here are the stuff. Here is the stuff, right? So these are the alphabets which you can see that K, U, D, G, R, D might be coming in your name or their name, but I can sense something is this. If I place this thing like G, U, D, it's good. We type something like in this. So this relationship, whatsoever is the output, the result is going to be, it's really good. It's really be good. So 2 leaves are there and one more lotus is there with another lotus. So it means this relationship is going to be fruit worthy. So it's lucky thing is there. So if this person can be lucky for you, or you can be lucky for this person, a lot of money I can sense here, because 2 leaves are there, 2 lotuses are there, and I can sense more of a prosperity in this relationship. Eiffel Tower is there. So you person or that person might belong to Paris or something, or you are there or working over there. A shield is there. So I can sense that this person is overprotective about you, might be protecting you from many chaos, or you are giving him or her a shield. Yes, a mask is there. So the mask of friendliness, the mask of friendly zone is going to disappear. Then a love phase is going to be there. So this person has a great feelings for you right now, taking you out for a Valentine date, and I feel that this Valentine date is going to be a great success. So all the best, guys. Hello for the people who have chosen the flower aster. So here's your reading. Here's your reading. 8 of Wands, Justice, and 5 of Swords. So I can sense some kind of a disturbance between your relationship right now with this person. You might be angry, or he might be angry, or she might be angry with you. So there is a kind of a problem I can sense in this reading right now, along with, like, in between both of you, each other. Right now, that person is quite afraid or scared to talk to you about taking you out for the Valentine's Day. But that person is quite interested to take you out, because because their feelings are quite good for you, positive for you, lovable for you. That person really wants to communicate a lot to you, or want to give you a lot of clarifications for whatsoever reason you are upset with that person right now. So I can sense some kind of a disturbance in this relationship right now. But yes, I can sense that you are going on a date with this person. So I can sense that Three of Swords is there, Ten of Coins are there, and the Wheel. So situation is going to turn towards positivity and in your favor. This person wants to settle a family with you finally. I think you want to settle up a family, or that person wants to settle up a family, but you are not agreeing, or that person is not agreeing. So about this communication, about this thing, you people will communicate and finally will have a solution, or end up again with the fighting. But this thing is going to the next level for sure. Soonest, not suddenly after the Valentine's Day, but it will take some time. But yes, it will get into it will get into the another level of this relationship. I think I can sense in winters after October. But situations are going to take turn now. So that person is interested to go out with you and having good feeling, good thoughts about you, or really good thoughts. Forgiveness and freedom, these are your love cards. Forgiveness is the card, and freedom. So free yourself, or that person, uh, free yourself, or free that person with the forgiveness. If that person is upset with you, then talk to that person. That person is going to forgive you and free you from the burden. I think some of you, either you or that person, has done two timings in this relationship. So that could be the reason, another reason for this uh, breakup or something. I won't say a breakup, but it's a sense of like it's a kind of a breakup, but it is not a breakup. It's just a kind of interval time type of a thing between you and that person. But yes, that person has a great feelings for you. The lucky color for would be purple, and the card is worry. So that person or you must be worried about this relationship, where this is heading. So but the along with this card, there is a card called forgiveness and freedom. So you might be getting freedom from worriness, or tensions which you or that person is having right now. So you people will be having a great time. I would say, if you forgive this person or that person forgives you, your people will be having a great time. Might I can say also sense that that person is waiting for you to communicate. Another card I took is the prosperity begins. So I can sense some kind of a promises will be shared. Yes, and which is going to give fruits in coming future. And Page of Wands. One more card I took is from the pile is Page of Wands. So that person is quite kiddish, or you might be kiddish in your thoughts. So just forgive everything and move ahead with this person. That person is having a great feelings about you. Please go ahead along with this person. So let's see the chits which I can sense for you. What are the love messages from this person for you? October. So this problem might have arose in October, and now February on Valentine's Day it will be over. So you must go ahead along with this date, as this date is quite good for you. Consult healer. So if more of the issues are appearing, then you do please consult a healer, or that person might be consulting a healer, as you are having a my read. So this is also consulting a healer, that you should go on a date with this person or not. So this is called a consulting a healer or something like this. So he or she is consulting a healer, or you are consulting a healer. A pet. So that person might behave like a pet of yours, or might gift you a pet on this Valentine's Day. So the charms which we are going to get is another flower. See, we had a card called Prosperity Begins, and now again a flower. Again a flower. So I can sense that this relationship is going to go far off, and now it is a time to bear the fruits, to enjoy the fruits. But the ego and stubbornness and fear and worries to be left behind, then this relationship is going to move forward. I can see some anchor, which is anchor is a kind of a thing like might be holding you back or that person back, in the name of ego, in the name of arrogance, in the name of anger. So this anchor to be released and this fear to be released, so that people can enjoy the fruits. I can see this a big gold leaf, which is again a sign of prosperity and fruitfulness. Another sign is flower, which is having two holes, two loops here to hold this flower. So you both two needed to hold this flower of prosperity. Another is a sign of peacock in Hindu mythology. A peacock is a good sign of relationships, which will be turning into a marriage or a commitment. So you might be getting a commitment this Valentine's Day. Soon I'll be holding a read in which my bird is going to take out some love messages for the guys, for you guys. So we'll just in few days I'll be taking that reading. I'll be taking that reading. So let's see and let's hope for the best, that he takes out good cards for you, or good chits for you. So if you like my reading, then do like, share and subscribe. Love you all. Thank you.